Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the 435D M Sport Convertible here at Your Next Car with myself, James. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I point out some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, and once we're there we will go through some of, again, the major talking points and features of the interior. And of course alongside that I will of course put the roof up, allow you to have a look at that in action, and towards the end of the video I will also step back outside the vehicle and show you what this 4 Series looks like with the roof completely closed. So the exterior of the vehicle, as you can see, is presented in the very nice Alpine white, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. We've also added the very popular and very nice 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres, and when they're set against that incredible Alpine white do look very nice indeed. The vehicle itself is a 2017 67 reg, and it is the 435D X-Drive model. And you'll also see it does inherit the very nice facelift, so we have facelift front lights, rear lights, and a few interior tweaks, all of which I am going to point out in a bit more detail as we make our way around. You may have already noticed the little dot just here on the front bumper. This is the fact that the vehicle does come with the parking assist pack along with the surround view. So we've got front cameras, side cameras, and of course the rear facing reversing camera. Alongside that, the vehicle has the M Sport Plus pack. So we have got the much larger front and rear M brake package, as you can see there, finished in the very nice blue. It also has the convertible comfort package. So we do get air collar, heated seats, and the heated M steering wheel as well, all of which we'll show you once again in a bit more detail very shortly. The interior is finished in black Dakota leather, and there you'll already be able to see we've also got the electric function and memory for driver's side, and is all finished exquisitely much like the exterior. And there you can see this is where the air collar operates from, bringing nice warm air vented through the front seats. In the rear of the 4 Series convertible you find a very nice Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest, and situated behind the rear seats in a sort of secret cubby hole is the storage for the wind deflector that this vehicle is also equipped with, and this is an optional extra. It costs around about £250 from BMW and is a very thought after one. Again, this slots into the 4 little slots just behind the front seats, and this is to stop that little bit of wind turbulence you sometimes can experience with convertibles. However, even without that in, they are a very noise-free convertible thanks to the fact that the windscreen has been raked back slightly more than previous shaped BMW convertibles, and they are exceedingly comfortable. Again, whether you sit in the front or the rear, you'll find that very much so on the 4 Series. Harman Kardon surround sound as part of that M Sport Plus pack. At the rear of the car we find the high gloss rear boot spoiler. We've also got the facelifted rear lights and that very nice high gloss rear diffuser. As I've mentioned, it is the 435D, so we do have that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system that is a very sophisticated system. And again, thanks to it being the sophisticated system, it doesn't take up any of the boot space, which is of course very essential when it comes to convertible vehicles. We've currently of course got the hard top all folded away nice and neatly into the boot space, and again, BMW being the very clever manufacturer that they are, provide this button which allows us to fold the roof partly back up or back open if you like, whichever way you want to look at that. And then we can lift the luggage tray cover back open, and there you can see just how much of a large boot space you do have. It is one of the largest in the class, and I think just having that boot button release there, or the roof open release should I say, is a really handy nifty feature for when you have got the roof down. And of course it does mean you don't have to sit in the car, close the thing fully back up to allow you to gain access to your full boot storage. There is also storage to the left hand side in the form of a little boot tray. So of course it is one of the largest boot luggage capacities in the convertible category. Moving round to the other side of the car now, just again take 2 seconds to appreciate how well and nicely presented the Alpine white is, of course being finished off with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. I'm going to make my way inside the car now and show you just a little bit of the technology that this vehicle comes equipped with, as it is an exceedingly high spec vehicle. We've got the power fold mirror function as well. A very striking feature on this particular car is the digital cockpit that it comes equipped with. I'll start the car up first of all and show you just a little bit about that. In the meantime, I'm going to get the roof coming up, which again is a very easy situation and a very quick one. So whilst that's doing its thing, I'll show you this amazing digital cockpit. So as you can see, currently the vehicle is just in its comfort setting on the performance mode select. And you can see there we've got this very funky, different looking. And as you can see, when I take the revs up, the numbers come up highlighted, as opposed to normally they would just be a set dial. And in just 1 second, now you can see that the roof movement is complete. I'll change the vehicle up into sport, where we'll get a different display again, and I'll all of a sudden get a very large digital speedo display. And again, you get a different display down in Eco Pro. And as you can see there, again, now it's got rid of the speedometer into just 20, 40, 60, and you get a charge to power display. Although it's a small touch, it is a very popular one, and a lot of people think this is a must-have option. Moving on to the cameras we've got. There is the side view cameras, and again, if I click that, I'll pop the vehicle into reverse. You can see the rear facing camera, and it also has the bird's eye camera as well, as you can see there. So that's taking a feed from all of the cameras to give you what I like to call the bird's eye view, but they call it a 360 view. And of course, we've got all of the other main functions, including satellite navigation, DAB radio, along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Bluetooth for not only just telephone as well as audio, but the vehicle also has the Apple CarPlay function as well. I've mentioned the air collar, and this is activated by these little buttons down here, along with the heated M Sport steering wheel. Okay guys, so that is pretty much finished off the video. I know it's been a lengthy one, but this is an extremely high spec 435D M Sport Convertible. I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, and I will of course get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find in the description all of the relevant contact information, and of course the link to this vehicle on our website, where of course you can obtain further details on the pricing and of course finance options we offer all in-house here at Your Next Car. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.